Purchasing and accessing SAM in BrightSpace. Open your BrightSpace course and click Content on the top menu. Resource links are usually in one of the first few sections of your BrightSpace course. Locate a link to purchase SAM. You will be redirected to the NATE Bookstore website. Add SAM to cart, then click the shopping bag icon at the top of the page to begin the checkout process. Sign in with your NATE account. Enter your billing information. On the shipping method page, choose Online Delivery. Complete the rest of the checkout and payment process. On the Order Complete page, there will be an access code listed below the item title. You will also receive an access code email. In this email, click the Redeem My Code button. On the code redemption page, verify your redemption code and email address. Read and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Redeem Product. After redemption is complete, you will receive a second access code email. Return to your BrightSpace course and locate a link to the SAM portal. If you already have a Cengage account, sign in. If you do not, click Create Account and follow the steps to create one. At the Payment Required page, click Enter your access code. Open your second access code email and copy the access code. Paste the code into the access code field on the Cengage website. Click Register. When registration is confirmed, click Continue, then Continue again. You now have access to SAM.